My heartiest greetings to all my dear viewers. Welcome to another exciting recipe by Serenity Cuisine. Today we will be making an African pudding. Just look how delicious it is. So let's get started. Soak sago overnight or at least 2 hours before cooking. Add sago with water and cook, because if we cook it direct with milk it loses its texture. Sago has a lot of benefits. It's gluten-free carbohydrate, but if you want to lose weight you should take it in portion. It's rich in fiber, so aids digestion. It's a great source of iron. It's also good for nerves and heart. Add brown sugar or any sugar according to your taste. If you reach this stage of my video, please follow if you are watching on Facebook, and subscribe if you are with me on YouTube. Please give a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Keep stirring until it became gel-like and transparent, or it will stick to the bottom. Don't leave unchecked on the flame. Just be a little patient. Now add milk. Keep on stirring until the sago combines with the milk and flavors fully melt down. Keep stirring until few more minutes. Also add cinnamon stick and cardamom powder for aroma and a distinctive flavor. Sago and milk are well cooked together and ready for next step. Now add some custard powder and milk. I used vanilla flavor. Mix well to avoid any lumps. Now add in sago mixture in 3 times, stirring continuously. It is becoming thick. Now our sago custard is ready. It's very delicious even if you eat it like this. For making pudding, we need to add eggs. I am taking 4 eggs. You can add 6 or even 8. Special thanks to you. If you reach this stage of recipe, please give a thumbs up if you like it. Beat the eggs and add to sago mixture when it's on room temperature to avoid overlooking of eggs. Stir continuously with a whisk. Now transfer it to a dish for baking in oven, or you can also steam it. You can also put the mixture in a steel pot that is airtight and put it in water over stove for at least 40 minutes. You can skip butter. Preheat oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Delicious pudding is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. See you soon again with another delicious recipe. Never give up.